Mr. Romualdez, ang suggestion ko lang sa'yo, you have to find someone else who is good in architecting a strategy on how you are going to eliminate the Duterte family, especially in the politics arena. Kasi yung strategy mo, magmula nung umalis si VP Sara doon sa sa Education Department. Tapos ang ginawa nyo yung confidential fund. Tapos yung ginawa nyo yung susunod yung questions of the budget. Tapos yung impeachment hanggang ngayon. You know, nakakasuka, nakakasawa. And we Filipinos are very tiring. And the more you do that in suppressing this family, the more the Filipino people will love them. And the more the Filipino people understand that you are the bad egg. And the more the Filipino people is not agreeing with you, hindi mo ba makita? Ang alam mo siguro, Mr. Speaker, you're being loved by the people. No, you're being cursed by the people who have a sympathy for the Duterte family. At alam mo na yung mga Pilipino, para sa akin, pag nakikita ko, yung simpatya ng mga Pilipino is very high. They have an emotional IQ. And once you do that, even no matter how bad the person is, they still have that sympathy over them. So your strategy in trying to eliminate or trying to wipe out or whatever you want to do for the Duterte family and all lahat ang mga naka-alyansa sa Duterte family, it's obviously you're a bitter and hatred and you are insecure. Hindi ganon. Pagtalunin mo ang isang tao, pagbakbakan yan. Talunin mo siya sa election. And you know, yung ginagawa mo na mga ayuda-ayuda na yan, hindi yan eh. Hindi yan ang remedyo para sa ganon. What do you look at us? You look at us like, we are really begging, we are a beggar in the street, we do not know. You know, the Filipino people are cold and they are, nabansagan sila, they are the most resilient and a fighter people. Survivor.